Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about definition of a derivative using limits, which is lesson 2.1 from the AP Calculus course. So let's first of all take the example of f of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So basically the derivative of f of x is equal to x to the power of 2 is going to be 2x. So in this lesson, we're going to be talking about the main formula, which is limit as h is going to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. See, this limit is basically the definition of the derivative of f prime of x is equal to 2x. So essentially speaking, if you apply the limit for such function, you're supposed to get the same answer as 2x over here. So first things first, I have to understand that f of x plus h is going to be, instead of x squared, it's going to be x plus h to the power of 2. And f of x is the normal x squared. So it will be limit as h is going to 0, x plus h to the power of 2 minus x squared over h, which is going to be limit as h is going to 0, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared over h. Just a quick reminder that this is the same as a plus b to the power of 2, which will give you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, x squared minus x squared are going to go, and then you're going to take h as a common factor. So limit as h is going to 0, h, you will have 2x plus h remaining over h. Then you can cross the h with the other h and replace h with 0, the remaining h. So you will have 2x plus 0, which is 2x. As you can see, the derivative is the same. We're going to do another example for this skill, which is basically f of x equals to the square root of x. Now, if we want to find the derivative of this function using power rule, so we're going to assume that, well, not assume, we're going to say that square root of x is the same as x to the power of half. So the derivative over here is going to be half x to the power of minus half, which is essentially 1 over 2x to the power of half, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. So this is the answer that I'm looking for after I finish the limit definition of derivative. So we're going to write the formula again. Well, it's not a formula, it's basically an expression for limits. So limit as h is going to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h, which is going to give me a limit. H is going to 0. Limit f of x plus h is going to be the square root of x plus h minus the square root of x over h. Now over here, in order for me to get rid of the square root in the numerator, I'm going to multiply up and down by the conjugate. So the conjugate over here is going to be the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x over the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. Therefore, I will have limit as h is going to 0. This will be a minus b, a plus b, which is essentially equal to a squared minus b squared. So a squared is going to be x plus h without the square root minus x over h times the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. Now, x minus x are going to be gone. So then h and h, you can remove them together. So then you will have limit as h is going to 0, 1 over the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. Now finally replace h with 0. You're going to get 1 over square root of x plus square root of x, which will be 1 over 2 square root of x. And as you can see, it's the same as power rule. The expression is the same as the power rule one. So guys, this is just a brief tutorial video of how to find derivatives using the limit expression. Make sure that you understand it very well. Not a lot of questions come about definition of derivative using limit in the AP exam. However, it's very important to know it because, well, it's basically easy and you just need to apply the formula. Thank you guys for watching, and stick around. There's more videos to come.